Happy Friday, guys! If you've been following anything mortgage and real estate related, you know that mortgage rates are doing better today. We're having a nice little rally, as we call it, like a party in the bond market, and the stock market's doing well. And this is all following Jerome Powell's speech. Basically, he hinted to the fact that they're probably going to cut the Fed fund rates in September. So rather than talk more about that, I kind of want to talk about the fact that if you are in the market to buy a house, I know you don't have as much control of it, but especially if you're in the market to refinance, you might not know that interest rate pricing could be better today than the day that the Fed does cut rates in September, which is weird, right? You're like, boggles my mind. But people often confuse it and they think that the Fed funds rates is the same as mortgage rates, and they're not the same. And the thing about the bond market is it's very similar to the stock market, where like one little news blip comes out and they react right away. Very reactionary, kind of like a teenager, right? And so you could actually have better interest rate pricing today than in the days and weeks to follow. So just something to think about. A lot of people this time last year, leading up to the September Fed rate cut, waited. They waited to lock in refis, and they even waited to buy homes. And the interesting thing is the Fed did cut rates, but mortgage rates actually didn't have much of a reaction because they already knew it was going to happen. And pricing got a little bit worse because of other factors, like a much stronger jobs report than what was anticipated. So moral of the story is we had awesome news as it relates to interest rates, that they are projected to come down, and your mortgage interest rate pricing is definitely lower. So it's a good time to reach out to your loan officer and get some quotes and talk about a potential refi. Or if you are under contract to purchase a home, you might want to go ahead and lock in that rate now. And if you're kind of like, I still want to wait and see, get a quote and then keep checking in with your loan officer and watch rates and see what they do. We don't have a crystal ball. We don't know what's going to happen, right? Any little news blip from anywhere on earth, right, basically, could cause rates to move one way or the other. But what we do know is the Fed's cutting rates in September doesn't mean that mortgage rates will be lower in September, but it does mean mortgage rates are lower today. Have a great weekend.